In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take attendance in Google Meet. First, open the Chrome Web Store on a desktop browser. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and look for an extension such as Google Meet Attendance List. Next, install the extension. After it installs, you may see a confirmation message, and the extension should become available for use when you are in a Google Meet session. Now that the extension is installed, you can either open or join your Google Meet call. Go to Google Meet, then start the meeting if you are the host, or join the meeting if you are a participant who needs to collect attendance. As soon as you enter the meeting, pay attention to what appears on your screen. As the meeting starts, the extension will typically track attendee presence based on those who joined during the session. It is a good idea to let the extension run normally while people are entering the meeting. During this time, keep your focus on the attendance icon or panel so you can confirm it is active. When the session is wrapping up, the next step is to export the attendance information. Once the meeting ends, many extensions will offer a way to download the results, often right away. Finally, select the export option that matches your workflow. If you choose CSV, the file will download to your computer and you can open it in spreadsheets or import it elsewhere. If you choose Google Sheet, the data is usually saved directly to a sheet you can edit and keep. That covers everything you need to know.